In today's video, I'm going to teach you all about what Google Drive is and how to get the most out of it. Google Drive is an incredibly versatile cloud storage service offered by Google. It allows you to store, access, and share a wide range of files such as documents, photos, and videos all online. The best part is you can access these files from any device as long as you're connected to the internet, making it a powerful tool for both personal and professional use. Let's dive into how you can start using Google Drive to its full potential. First things first, you'll need to sign in to Google Drive. To do this, head over to drive.google.com. Once you're there, sign in with your Google account, which is typically your Gmail account. After logging in, you'll be greeted by your Drive homepage. This is the central hub where you'll find all your files and folders neatly laid out for you. It's streamlined to help you easily navigate through your stored data. Now let's talk about uploading files and folders into Google Drive, which is incredibly straightforward. If you want to upload a single file, locate and click on the plus new button, then select File Upload. This will prompt you to choose a file from your computer to upload. If you have an entire folder you wish to store in Drive, that's just as easy. Simply click plus new again and select Folder Upload. From there, choose the whole folder you want to upload. Both files and folders will then appear in your Google Drive, ready for you to access anytime. Next, if you're looking to create new files directly in Google Drive, you've got plenty of options. Click the plus new button again and you'll see options like Google Docs for word processing, Google Sheets for spreadsheets, and Google Slides for presentations. Whichever you choose, the file is automatically saved in your Drive, so you don't have to worry about losing your work. Once your files are on Google Drive, organizing them is key to efficiency. You can create new folders by clicking plus new, selecting folder, and naming it whatever suits your needs. Drag and drop your files into these folders to keep everything tidy and easily accessible.
Sharing files and folders is another fantastic feature of Google Drive. To share, right-click on the file or folder you want to share and select Share. You can enter an email address to share directly with specific people or generate a shareable link. Google Drive also allows you to set permissions, deciding whether the person you're sharing with is a viewer who can only see the file, a commenter who can add comments, or an editor with the ability to make changes. And there you have it. With these steps, you're well on your way to becoming a Google Drive pro. Whether you're looking to store personal photos, collaborate with colleagues on work documents, or anything in between, Google Drive offers a robust platform to meet your needs. Thanks for joining me today, and happy driving.